Welcome to the Siemens e-learning Presence Detectors Wide. In the following e-learnings, we will introduce the series of Siemens Presence Detectors Wide on the basis of frequent use cases. This short introduction will give you an overview of the design and properties of these sensors. First, presence. All wide devices have highly sensitive sensors for presence detection. The models with order numbers ending in 31, 41 and 51 each have 4 PIR sensors in a 90 degrees grid. The dual-tech model with order number ending in 61 has 4 ultrasonic sensors and a central PIR sensor. The detection range of the 4-quadrant PIR sensor system is 64 square meters for presence and 400 square meters for movement. The detection area is square-shaped. The flush-mounted ultrasonic detector 258-61 achieves 28 square meters for presence and 79 square meters for movement. The installation height should be between 2.5 and 3.5 meters. The optimum height is 2.8 meters. 3 function blocks are available for sensor evaluation. Second, temperature. The built-in NTC temperature sensor has a measuring range of 0 to 50 degrees Celsius. Smallest increment 0.1 Kelvin. Third, brightness. All sensors have a mixed light sensor for a measuring range of 0 to 1000 lux. Since the sensors are mounted on the ceiling, they usually measure a significantly attenuated light level. The controllable luminous intensities are therefore significantly higher than 1000 lux. The brightness sensor must be optimally calibrated for their respective application. There are 4 calibration methods available, which are discussed in the following e-learning. Fourth, relative humidity. The sensors UP25841 and UP25851 each have a sensor for relative humidity. Fifth, CO2. The UP25851 has a CO2 sensor. It can measure the carbon dioxide concentration in a range between 400 and 10,000 parts per million. Sixth, controller functions. Lighting. There is a 2-point and a constant light controller. The constant light controller can control up to 5 identical lighting groups in parallel, depending on their spatial arrangement. HVAC. Depending on the model, temperature, relative humidity and CO2 concentration controllers are available for the sensors to optimally control the room air quality and temperature. Seventh, IR receiver. Together with a matching handheld remote control, the integrated infrared receiver features wireless control of up to 12 room functions. Thanks for listening. You have reached the end of the introduction. Now you have an overview of the features and application areas of the Siemens Presence Detectors Wide.